I came in. If you come in on the left, it's the room on the left. The room is like this. To the balcony, it's like this. This is what you see from the balcony. Lotte 3 across the street. There's an apartment. There is a built-in cabinet in the entrance room like this. It's a built-in storage. Enter the entrance and on the right there is a bathroom like this. Toilet repair. It's in good shape. The room is centered on the living room. There's a room on the left and a master room on the right. It's a 3-bay structure. Even though it is a 3-bay structure, the living room is spacious. Let me go into the kitchen. The kitchen sink is so clean. Kitchen balcony. There's a laundry room inside. This is the living room seen from the kitchen. Let's go into the room inside. The room inside is expanded like this. Enter the master bedroom. There are fixtures installed in the master room like this. This is the master bathroom. This came out of the living room. In this house, no matter what the important points, it's a view. This is south. Seen in front, the view is great. It's cool. You can see over there, conveniently located near shopping facilities. Life is possible. There is a storage room and a balcony. This is the view from the living room balcony.
It was Dongbu Apartment.
Introducing the 19th floor of building 108. Thank you very much.